We offer like a various wide variety of services in the business field. And like I always tell people, we're here to help people grow from the inside out. So we create business owners first from the inside out. And so definitely we offer business creation, and that's from LLCs to incorporations. We do those services also. I myself, being a business coach and a life coach, I offer my services through coaching. I help people for every step of the way from their business, starting their business, to where we want to be. I help people already in business. I use my 20 years of experience and expertise as being a business owner. Our virtual courses, so you can go to Masternomics.com. I put out the book with my wife's help, how to create a business plan. And so many people needed help in business, and I'm talking to them like, you don't even have a plan. So this book takes you from A to Z. It's a guide to developing and writing an effective plan to build a business that will grow and thrive. And the thrive part, to be a sustainable, self-sustaining entity, is what you want your business to be. And so through that course, and we have the course, you can go online, follow me, get the course. We have it in ebook form. We got it in a hardback physical copy. And it's a course that you can follow along. I don't have to be there with you, but I'm there with you because you have access to the information, and you send in information and we respond back. So we have several courses like that. The Effects of Manifestation course is a course that helps you grow as a business owner, helps you take the dreams out of your mind, become a reality. So we have virtual and we have in-person courses. So hey, check us out, Masternomics. That's what we're here to help your dreams become a reality.